Yo, this is Paulie D, United Jack Nation. I want to talk to you about a product called Super Clean. This product is perfect, absolutely perfect for cleaning your home gym equipment, okay? I've been using it now for the last couple of months on my my bench, and I'm seeing fantastic results. The material is still like brand new. The paint is like new, okay? It dissolves grease and grime super easy, super fast. One of the things I love about this product is that the detergent in here is biodegradable, okay? So it's not gonna be harmful to you, okay? It's not gonna be harmful to the environment. It's very important to me, okay? So what I do is I don't use 100% strength, okay? 100% strength is very harsh, okay? You could clean the wheels on your car, you know, grease, grime, you know, on the stove or oven or whatever with the 100%. Actually, I use like 50% to cut all of that stuff. The 100% is like freaking unbelievable, okay? What I do is I knock it down in a bottle like this down to 5%. And so I use it at the 5% level to clean my home gym equipment, okay? So just to give you an idea, okay, so here's my bench, okay? I'll hit it like this. Get some paper towels and wipe it down. Okay, it's like new, like new. I've been using it on here for about 2 months. You can see there's absolutely no fading whatsoever. Could even use it on the painted surfaces, like down over here on the legs. Okay, it cuts the dust, it cuts the grease, cuts the grime, it disinfects the whole 9 yards. You can see how perfect this is. Look at the white lettering on here. Okay, if anything was going to come off, it would come off on the white lettering. You can see this is like brand new still. Okay, so I highly recommend Super Clean for your home gym equipment. Frankly, I'm going to talk to the owners at the gym I go to and see if they'll incorporate it into their regimen. Okay, so because if you cut this 100% bottle down to 5%, okay, we're talking about, what I got here, you got 32 ounces, so 32 times 20, you're talking about a lot of product, okay? A lot of product. Okay, in my home, I use this on frankly just about everything. I use it on my outdoor furniture. I use it on at the 100% level, actually at the 50% level. I use it on my garbage cans. Cleans out the garbage cans incredibly. I just squirt it down and then I hose it out. Comes like brand new. I use it on the wheels. It gets rid of the brake dust, all that stuff. As far as the gym equipment is concerned, it leaves it like brand new. Okay, so this is Paulie D from United Jack Nation. Stay jacked out there, my friends. Yo.